farmers' crops are destroyed. Don't you think government should compensate that?
So there are compensation schemes, okay? But the problem with compensation is it's not given on time. Human elephant is a big issue.
The Assam especially.
Yes, Hassan, West Bengal, Assam, huge issue. In fact, there is a number for that. Nearly 300 to 500 elephants die annually, and 1,000 people die. It's a big number.
Let's talk about that specifically.
yes.
Where it starts from. Like I see conflict happening would be elephant migration.
Yeah.
Correct me if I'm wrong. The
Yeah.
forests are fragmented.
Yes.
In between, they find human farms,
Yeah.
maybe sugarcane. This may be the passing point.
Yeah.
They come in contact with civilization, but they have to move on. They
Yeah.
wouldn't be staying there. Is
Yeah.
that the case?
So there are elephant corridors, okay, in between national parks and reserves,
Okay.
right? There are corridors, but they are roads. So then they have to cross roads.
Roads, yeah.
Railways also. And that's how many elephants are killed. There are croplands. There are the sugarcane farms or bamboo plantations. And as they cross it, they might feed on that. They're huge animals, right? So then they destroy. And then people get aggravated by it. So right? It's local farmers, right? And then they throw stones. And they'll throw firecrackers. And it will aggravate the animal to a point where
Charged and
yes, they will charge and then humans die. Then it's a continuous cycle, you know. So the recent 2020 case of, firecracker burst inside, there was a pineapple.
Oh, yeah, that went really viral.
So the pineapple was kept for wild boar. So in Kerala, wild boar is a vermin. It's causing a huge havoc. So farmers are very tired of it. So they want to kill it, right? So they're keeping pineapples in which they've kept firecrackers. So it'll burst and they're inside the mouth of the boar and it'll die. But unfortunately, the elephant consumed it. It burst and the entire mouth, it blasted and then it died.
What do you think is the solution when it comes to human-elephant conflict specifically?
When you talk about conflict in general, there's no one solution that fits all. It has to be something that is catered to the local community, the economic structure, what the local community needs, the financial status of that, and species specific also.
Okay.
It has to be with, understanding both. Either the government should compensate in such a way that the local people are translocated to a different place, or they're given all facilities.
Not viable, I guess.
Yeah. Compensation is so delayed, people have lost faith, because of which they get so angry with the wildlife. There are families where, the men who are the breadwinners of the family, they are killed in the conflict situation. And then now the family they have nothing. There's a mother, she's a widow now, and she has kids to look after. So she's lost faith, right? And
very emotional subject.
Yeah, it's a very problematic, very complex issue. So the solution it's very difficult. We have to work with many different people, not just with conservationists. We have to work with economists, sociologists, anthropologists, biologists,
politicians.
Yeah,